Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. We just had a storm blow through, got leaves on the yard, but today's video is not going to be in the yard. Instead, it's going to be over here in the garage. Got the old Allett C24 10 blade drill out with the groomer attachment, and I noticed the groomer attachment stopped working, so I suspected a broken belt in here. All right, to cover a few things you need to make this process really quick is an Allen wrench, a 5mm Allen wrench here to take, I believe it's 2 screws on the top and one over here on the side on the bottom. We'll take those out to access the belt area for the groomer, and also a new belt here. I believe I got this for $3 or $4 off online. I'll put the links and everything in the description. And the size you need is a 339-3M, and that's the date apparently probably when it's manufactured. You also need, well, I got a little WD-40 just in case I run into, some rusty bolts in there or something. And also I'm gonna spray it down, and also my greaser, because these do have grease points here, one here and one here. While I've got everything up, cleaned off and taken apart, go ahead and grease it. Alright guys, as you can see, I do have a broken belt right here. Snap clean in two. I'll replace it with this new belt, same size. Basically you just take this belt and slap it back on here. This is actually a, I guess you can call it a timing belt. That's what they call it. There we go. As you can see, let me grab the camera, make sure you can see this. Alright, as you can see, as the reel turns, it actually engages the belt and everything, causes the groomer to spin. And of course the groomer, it basically lifts up the turf, gives it a nice, edge, nice crisp edge to cut with the wheel mower. And guys, that's all there is to it. Let me go over the dimensions of this belt in case you guys are looking for it, and also include links to it in the description, and also on my website sunnybermuda.com. I write up a blog entry on every video with details on where to find stuff. A little bit of information about the belt here. As you can see, it says 339. 339 is the overall length of the belt. Like if you measured it out, that's like 339 millimeters. I can't remember what that comes to, maybe 12 inches. I'll put it up on the screen. I'll do the conversions. And then also the 3M, that's the pitch length between the ridges here. Because that's important to stay the same too, 3M, because it comes in line with these little notches here. As it turns, it grabs the little notches, these here. And then what's missing here is the width of it, and that is 14 millimeters. I took my little gauge and measured it, and as you can see, I could take the old belt and line it up with the new belt, and they are even. So that's 14 millimeter width on this. So if you're looking for one for your C24 Allett cartridge, is 339-3M-14, and I'll have the link to where I got these. They're like $3.47 for these. So I went ahead and got like 3 of them. Just have some backups. If you hadn't already, be sure and hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe if you're not a subscriber on this channel, as I bring you more content throughout the year on Bermuda lawn care using my Allett C24 and all my other gear in here. All right guys, we hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.